A 1957 Ford Thunderbird E-Code Convertible is up on the block.
Well, E-Code refers to the high-performance engine, the highest available, and this is a Minter bird. The Minter family restoration business. Here's Amos hopping out of the passenger seat. His son Justin drove up on the block. Here's Steve Davis.
Birds. These things are like jewelry when you look at them. They do absolutely everything that can be done. Massage. Beautiful example of a perfect 1957 E-Bird. Don't miss your opportunity to buy from the best T-Bird people in the world.
And that's the truth. Nobody does these Thunderbirds like the Minter family. I asked Amos about 10 years ago, I said, where do you keep finding these cars? He says, well, I got about 100 or so of them out on the back lot. We've just been accumulating them around Dallas, Texas. These are blue chip collectibles, and they are instant six-figure cars.
Yeah, and let's take a look at the chassis cam on this very special T-Bird. So yeah, that E-Code V8 dual carburetor from the bottom, and everything all shiny, way cleaner than you would ever see from the factory, but also very correct. There's the transmission. You can see the X-frame going across there. Boy, that drive shaft's even polished as well, along with the rear end and the fuel tank. How do they do that? How do they make them that clean underneath? Holy smokes.
Well, you know, the Minter family, one of their goals is to make it better than it was when it came out of the factory. Their point is that if their customers are going to spend big money for a car, they don't want factory quality. They want something even better.